Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how travel works and whether it's the right CRM for new travel advisors in 2025. Quick, simple, and honest. The dashboard overview once you log in, you're greeted with a clean dashboard, tasks, recent trips, and all client messages all in one place. It's built to simplify your day. You can add a new client, send them forms, collect payments, and organize trips with just a few clicks. TravelJoy automates follow-ups and keeps everything in a timeline view. Easily built, sleek-looking proposals and itineraries with preloaded hotels, cruises, and activities. You can drag, drop, edit, and clients can view it all online or via PDF. Use their built-in tools to send payment links, authorize credit cards, and collect signatures. No need to juggle outside tools. Super beginner friendly. Saves time with automation. Handles everything in one place. But this is a limited design for itineraries compared to Travelify. Basic reporting and no deep analytics. If you're just starting out, TravelJoy is a strong all-in-one CRM. Want a side-by-side with Travify or Turn? Drop a comment below, like and subscribe for more no-flap reviews.